Good evening, everyone, and welcome to Elite Currency Weekly Trading Ideas. Today is December 6th. My name is Nenad, and we will see different markets. Before I start, have in mind that Forex and CFD leverage products can result in losses that exceed your deposits. Please ensure that you fully understand the risks involved before you start trading live. Everything you see and hear from me is my personal opinion only. Trading rules are always the same for these setups. Watch previous webinars and pause the video so you can fully read the rules. And also, guys, on my FX book, you can follow the account that I trade, FXDD, live account. It's been more than a year that I've tracked this account. And I put it here on my FX book, so you can see the gain, 446.65% gain. And for all of these beautiful results, sign up for ECS Live Service. ECS Live Service is a part of our website, what we do here. So you can go to services, of course, Forex and CFD, and you can purchase my methods. You can sign up for ECS Live. Whatever, guys, you do, I am sure that you won't be disappointed. So let's get back to our webinar. So quickly, we go to first setup, euro dollar, potential buy 1.1150, stop loss 1.1115, TP 1.1240, alternative sell 1240 to 50, stop loss 1280, TP 1.1190. GBP dollar positional buy 131.20, stop loss 30.50, TP 32.80, breakout sell 30.50, 3000 is the target. Australian dollar 0.6960, 0.6990, stop, TP 0.6910. Australian dollar is in a sell mode. Dollar yen positional sell 108.70 to 80, stop loss 109, TP 108.10. Gold 1550 buy, stop loss 1510, TP 1590, Bitcoin 7550 sell, stop 7650, TP 7400. Lately, I have switched a lot to lower time frame trading. Trading actually my camera will make the sit method. This is the screenshot that shows sit method, and on average we have in between 1 and 4 setups per day on ECS Live with full trade management and literally full trade management and risk management. So if you enjoy these free webinars, you can always sign up for ECS Live service. We have a lot of setups, and it's not uncommon that I also manage trades during midnight. So I never leave you traders without updates. So this is it, guys. These were quick trading ideas. Okay, so once more, I will roll the slides. And of course, this webinar is being uploaded to YouTube. So in an hour, you will be able to watch it again. I hope that you enjoyed. And for more live trading ideas and more trade management and everything, sign up for ECS Live. See you soon, guys. Cheers.